Hello everybody, we're doing an unboxing today. This package came all the way from the Netherlands. Shout out to Mr. Prapor, who had this up on his page. It's a pretty cool piece of equipment. Just thought it'd be cool to add to the collection. This is going to be a simple unboxing. I'll do a review video later down the road. Comparison as well because of what I have here and then what I already have. But so yeah, let's get right into it. Alrighty, I turned off one of the fans. Hopefully background noise isn't too bad, but it's hot, so need the fans going. So yeah, let's get right into this. Only thing I've done so far is just remove any labeling that has like addresses and bullshit on it. Had to come all the way from the other side of the ocean, at least compared to where I'm from. Let's see. So we got this. Okay. Let's see. Probably cut it here. Yeah, it seems like it's a cover type. This is the second item I've actually gotten from Mr. Prapor. The other item I've gotten is a I forgot the name off the top of my head, but it's a backpack combat, like couple day, 3-day I think, combat bag. Russian EMR. Pretty neat. I have two of them actually now because I got one from Praporchik not that long ago. This fucking tape is thick. Blade's dull. Okay, we're almost there. Sorry for slacking here. God damn. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, more packaging. Okay. It's like Christmas. Move the box. Like that. So far, so good. Okay, alrighty, let's get in here. Sorry about that. Let's see. Hell yeah. Thank you, Mr. Prapor. So, this helmet, it's a Kolpak, Kolpak 20. Don't know if you can see that in there, but manufactured in 2022. So with the current, way the world's moving currently, it's pretty interesting to obtain kit like this for the collection. But came with olive cover and a EMR cover as well. It was issued, so we don't know. I don't know what the real history is behind this helmet, where it was, what it did, what it saw. But going off the cover, it's a little dusty, a little dirty. Plus it has the ribbon from, well, if you're paying attention to the news. It also seems, I'm not sure what this is. It might be a carrying bag, rifle bag. I'm not sure what this is. It kind of just wasn't expecting this. Maybe it's a carrying bag, but I'll add it to my collection of EMR that I've been obtaining. But pretty cool set of kit. Helmet itself is nice from what I can feel. It's just an SSH-68, but with a better, like, more protection, basically. So I'll do a comparison video because I have an SSH-68 in my collection. I have one from Amazon and then one from old Soviet dead stock. So hopefully we'll be doing a comparison video soon. But yeah, that is what I have obtained in this unboxing. Shout out to Prapor, all the way from the other side of the ocean. But yeah, good stuff. Comparison video coming soon.